Hey, welcome back. This video is part 2 of the Texas High School Mariachi Etude number 2. We're mostly going to talk about the notes in this video because there's some difficult notes in some tough positions, but I'm going to make one more video after this and give you sort of a game plan and maybe how you can organize your practice and getting better at performing this etude. So last we had left off on this scale. We're going to stay in that position, that's 5th position. So we have F and right across B flat, D, F to F sharp. So it would be 4, 4, 2, 4, 4. B flat again. Now D with the first finger.